glued to.
Here, it's glued to it, so just open it.
Oh, it's like a whole house.
Yeah.
OMG, not big, sister. Fresh.
All right, well, let's show
13.
the people out there. OMG. 13. Over here. 13.
13 giant.
Hold on. You don't pull. It's a drawer. You pull out.
Doesn't this... Oh, that's 15.
All right.
14's under it.
And 14's under it.
I got another person. Hey, that's...
Oh, a little sister.
Big sister.
Mom.
And a little. And I got this cute little water bottle.
Okay.
Can I put these in the basket?
Hey, that's my character.
Can I put these in
Can
the
you
basket?
get to the 14?
since I'm opening?
I know where 15 is.
14, 15.
15's a big one. Yeah, 15's a big... It's a locker, Mom.
Oh,
You need
my
to find
goodness.
the key of the city. You have to find the key of the city.
All right, where's the instructions? Number
Ooh, a
15.
bottle.
Open lid of box 15.
I got it. You need a key. I know. Special key.
All right. Well, hold that aside. 16. Rotate box 15 and open blind. That's 15, right?
Where's 16? Yeah.
Rotate the box.
What's rotate?
Rotate the box. 36. Oh, that goes under there.
What is rotating?
Ooh, Mom, I got a microphone.
This is 15. What did you open over there? Here's 15. Rotate the box. 15 is... What number is that?
51.
51. That's the last one.
No, I found...
We have to find the key for it.
I thought that
Put
was
it back.
15.
Well, you're reading it backwards. This is 15, right here. And then rotate the box to get 16. You want to cry? Then you can leave the room right now. There's 70 surprises in here.
Get off that glass! Right down!
Elsa!
Elsa!
This is so cute.
Right now!
All right.
I got...
You know what? Enough. Sit down and do this now.
Guys, I got a bracelet for the big sister.
So that's for the big sister.
Oh, it fell out. Because there's
All right, 17. Slide to remove box 17 and open.
Where's 8?
I get so good.
17.
All right, slide.
The box. Where's 18?
Slide the box out.
Elsa.
And open.
18. Pull out drawer of box 18.
Where's it?
We'll look for it. 1-8 is 18.
No. 8-1.
Look at my Mickey Mouse. Come.
Look at
Showing off. I got
Look
it.
at my Aurora. Mom, can you show the viewers? Look at my Aurora.
I have to take the drawer out and why since I couldn't get it back in. Wait, stop. You have to look at the bottom.
You know what? Nobody's been looking for stickers.
We are looking for stickers.
Well, we haven't got any more stickers except here's a sticker right here.
That's not a sticker.
Well, we need to look through all the boxes now.
I found a key!
You need the red one too.
I found the key to this one. It was like this one to this. I found a cute little puppy.
There's a sticker in this one.
What number is that?
6.
Oh, there's a puppy. Can I put the puppy sticker
Sure,
on
but it's hard to
since
get
it's
the back
mine?
off.
All right, keep looking in the
The
boxes.
puppy is 8012. Emmy, this is
Give me the sticker, please.
8012.
18.
I took the drawer out. See, I found the key in 18.
We don't have her. Mom, see, we don't have her.
I found one. 2.
Found one.
A sticker.
The puppy that I got.
You got a the pup? Wait.
Yeah, where's the other doll boxes?
I found the key. There's a hole here.
All right, we got sticker number 2.
A sticker number 3.
All right, what
4.
number? What number are we on?
Mom. 013. We didn't look for her sticker.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said, all right, put everything in here so we don't lose all the little pieces.
It's 01013. 013.
Well, where was the little sister? Was she in this one? Yes. Here's another sticker.
That is her. It's another one of my family.
All right, where was another big one that we pulled out? How many? We've got 2 pets. Where was the little sister? We got a sticker with the little sister, right?
Yeah. Right
Okay,
here.
and the big sister and the 2 pets. All right, we're good.
Right
We're
here.
caught up. Okay, what number are we on now? We just did 18.
19. Right here, Katie. No, it goes right here. How? Those are her way. Because it says 006 and it says 006. Goes right there.
Okay. All right, number 19. Let's look for number 19. 44, 22.
19.
All right.
20's under it.
All right, you get 19, you get 20.
Oh, what? Hi, mister.
Open it. Don't rip it.
White shoes. And
All right, white shoes. All right.
give me it.
All right, put them in the basket.
We had to show the blockers.
They're just little shoes. We'll show everything at the end.
I'm gonna dress up my girl.
Ooh, a skirt.
Oh, ooh, a skirt.
That's mine, Katie.
Okay, 22. Open lid of box 22.
Open.
Right here.
Mom, look
Oh,
at this.
and another sticker.
Mom, look at this dress. It says baby.
Another sticker.
That's mine. He has blue hair and he's a boy. And the boy's inside of it. He's just like the puppy's
All right,
hair.
show the camera.
No, you said to show it at the end.
Okay. Well, then I guess you have to wait till the end.
So stay tuned.
Ooh. 22.
Okay.
I'm looking for 24.
007.
24. That's 25. 25, I mean. I'm gonna hold on
Okay.
to this.
What number are we on now?
24.
24. Open
that?
blind bag under box 23. No, we're on 23. Remove box 23 and
Oh,
open.
surprise, amazing surprise.
Where's box 23? This is how the dollhouse is. You have to build it like this too.
Oh, wow.
23.
Okay, where's 23? Right here.
I get to open it, Katie.
And then there's one underneath.
24.
Remove, open blind bag under box 23. And we have to solve a mystery.
No stickers. Mystery. And
Yeah.
we have to solve a mystery.
Okay,
And we have to solve a mystery.
25. Open lid box 25.
Here you go, Mama.
Oh, those must be OMG doll glasses.
Yeah, they're my girl's glasses.
All right, number 25. Open the lid of number 25.
This is okay. 45. That's 45. Okay. Nope. 26.
Ooh, some jean
Where's
pants.
26? 26.
26. Remove box
Right here.
26 and open.
Where I open it from?
27.
Okay, wait here.
You know what? Katie's getting an awful lot of the underneath ones. Is that? See if there's a sticker.
Is there?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. We
Hey,
got a
that's my
sticker.
boy. I don't care. Okay. And then there. And there.
All right. Katie gets to open the next one because she keeps getting the underneath surprises.
Which one?
Hold on.
20
Just wait.
26.
Patience.
It's 27 now, Katie. Just say my friend's name.
Mom, look at her. Mom, look at her.
20.
Do you like her?
All right, what is this one? Oh, yeah, she's so great.
Can I show her to the camera?
Sure. 0010.
That's 50. That's 51.
All right, we're getting good. Lindsay, you need to go put some clean clothes on.
Okay, my turn? No, it's my turn.
Okay, what are we doing?
Yeah. Okay.
28. Flip box 28 up.
But I'm only doing
There
it.
you go.
Can I do
Mom,
Hold
I'm only.
on.
That's 20.
Pull out drawer of box 29.
mine?
That's really cool.
Mine was so folded. I got
A shirt. What
Guys,
did you
look
get?
at
Oh, a
her.
fancy belt.
keep all
Well, if you put this all back together, you can
Mama.
use this to play with
If I change, can I do a video with one of my surprises?
after we're done later.
keep all the trash in a pile.
Okay, 30. Open lid of box 30.
Where's my hot cocoa? Here's
30.
Here's my hot cocoa.
There's 31.
I get to do 31, right?
Right there. No, Katie gets to do 30.
I get to do 31, right?
Okay. Lift box. And see if there's a sticker in there.
Don't show me.
All right, we got a sticker.
Open it, girl.
All right.
Sorry.
She's
31 and
number
32. 30, Mommy, 32 is
3.
under 30. 3. 51. Thank you. Need help? Can I do it?
I think I got it.
Okay. That's one.
All right, 31, Emmy.
Okay. This is 30. Oh. This is 30. Alright.
Sure
Is there a sticker? Why'd you want to go, but there's no sticker?
Well, look in there.
I did.
There's supposed to be a sticker every time there's a dolly.
Maybe there isn't. Or we already got that. No.
No, it should be right there, 008. There was no sticker?
Yeah, there's
Well, why
no.
didn't you wait for me? Well, we're going to have to look for it.
Keep all
Little
your trash,
sister.
all the trash in the pile. Wait. So what was that?
All right, 31,
32.
32, open lid box of 32.
Where is it? 32.
There's 33,
I get you.
48, 25, 40, right there, 32. Right there.
And was 33. Nope. Where's 33?
I can't believe there wasn't a sticker in there. Oh, another outfit.
This is for the big sister. Where's
Big
33?
sister shoe. All right, put it
And
in the
you get the
basket.
wrong pair of shoes. I get the blue shoes. You get Where's the 33?
Right here, 33.
Big one.
Hold on, what does it say?
So,
It says I was supposed to take out 15, 16. Pull out drawer of box 33.
Mommy, can I open
All right, pull out the
50?
drawer, and there's a sticker in there.
Can I open 50? It's your pack.
Yes, one of you can open 50 and one of you can open 51.
She's going to
Right,
open
get
51.
All right, that was a little pet.
Katie, we're keeping all the trash
We've
in
got
this
quite
pile.
a family growing in here. Another pet. What number is it?
4.
4?
Wait, no, 0.
What?
0, 1, 4.
14 at the bottom,
Have
right
we
there.
opened 45?
Okay.
No.
35. You just opened 34. 35. Remove box and
30.
that's 45. Remove box and open. 35.
35.
Where is it?
Here's 40. 40.
Right there. 35. Remove box and open it.
Oh, what is that?
36. Open blind bag. Under box.
That's
Here.
mine. Ow, you hurt me.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. You keep her grabbing too much. 37. Where's 37?
First, I didn't recognize it because it's
Oh, it's a bottle.
sippy cup. No?
More Look at all these boxes. We can make presents and make Christmas for the dollies and reuse these.
And we can use our dollhouse.
Yeah.
Or should I say?
Well, you gotta wait till later.
Dollhouse.
Oh, another outfit, tuxedo outfit. Okay. 36, open, 37, flip box 37 up.
37.
All right, there you go. 38, open lid of box 38.
Can I do this?
There you
I
go.
got pink, fluffy, sand.
Rotate box 38 and get 39.
Ooh, this is Katie.
Ooh, those are definitely Diva. 39.
Definitely.
Ooh, definitely Diva-licious.
This is about Diva. I'll go get my headband.
Oh, yeah. Okay, pull out drawer box 40.
40. Who gets to do 40?
You can since she took off. Oh, and there's another sticker.
Come here. Ow, I hurt myself.
There's another sticker. Are
Oh,
you
it's
okay?
my bunny. I just hurt myself.
All right.
I got a bunny. Can I put it on?
Yes. You're better at getting the stickers on anyhow.
We got lots of people now.
39. Rotate box 38. Oh, we already did that. We got 40. 41. Open lid of box 41.
And I get to do 42, right? I get 50.
Pull out drawer of box 42. No, she gets to do 40.
I found the key of mine.
You found the other key. I put it in
I
there. We
found
got
the
both
key.
keys.
No, you have to connect them. Key and
Oh.
key. You have to connect them to be able to open them. This is
Oh, the red and the blue
this is-
together. Where's the blue key? I put it in here.
Kitty.
Here it is.
This is 50 and this is 51. So I go before you.
Oh, well, hold on. Let's see what the keys are.
We connect them together. So you have to connect them together, and the keyhole, you have to put it in and twist it.
Oh, so this will unlock both.